In this video, you'll witness the most fascinating moments where humans face off against Mother Nature. These incredible moments were captured on camera, because if they weren't, no one would believe they actually happened.
Oh, she's going. Oh
my God.
Oh, you're not looking back? Oh, cousin, bye-bye. Oh! Yeah, the fuck was on camera. Yeah, one more time. On the hole. Oh my God. Oh my God.
Oh, just busted my window. Holy crap.
Oh my word! Did you see that? Did you just see that?
Heavenly Father, please help us. Please help us to be safe.
Broke our window.
It's like baseballs here. It is ruining our house. We've got holes in the roof everywhere. They are the size of baseballs. Holy Oh, she's still got the camera. Oh, there's a bigger one coming. Oh my God. This way, come on.
Oh my God, baby, the bloody London bot just missed you.
oh, jeez. That's gone.
Oh my god! Oh my god, mommy! Oh my god! Get Mike, look at your line.
That is incredible. As I've seen it on YouTube when they've been hit by lightning before, I've seen the trees do it on videos, but I've never seen one for real.
Let it go, we gotta let it go, guys. Back up. Turn into the wind, turn into the wind, turn into the wind. Oh boy! Oh, this is stupid. Oh, this is so f***ing stupid. I flooded the engine.
Cheese. Smile. Yo, smile. Yo.
You motherfucker.
No more.
Holy sh! Oh my gosh!